So today we're going to True Kitchen. It's a very healthy restaurant, vegan and all that kind of stuff. So we just saw it a few months ago. We were up at the Market Street in Woodlands, and just thought we'd give it a try. True Food. True Food Kitchens. Vegan double cheeseburger. I probably won't be getting that. Very nice inside. It's pretty new, I think.
If you want to look good. And to pop up our menu, just scan our QR code on the table.
Okay, thank you. Open kitchen. Here's the bar over here. We're going to start with an appetizer of edamame dumplings. I can't show you anything on the menu because it's only a scan menu, so there's nothing to hold on to. We'll start with that. I'm going to get, I think, the spaghetti squash casserole. And Catherine is going to get spinach mushroom pizza. Here is the edamame dumplings. I think the photo looked a lot better. Good.
I don't know inside. What's inside? Avocado or something?
Edamame.
Edamame. Oh, that one. I'm going to try.
Here's the mushroom spinach pizza. It looks really good.
Yeah, I will try.
Good. I'll have to check it out. It's probably vegan crust and everything. I don't know. But lots of garlic. Yeah, good.
How about yours? Try yours.
Spaghetti squash casserole. Yeah, I really like that too. Could use a little salt maybe. Get some of the squash, yeah.
I like mine.
I like mine. How about that? All right, so there we have it. We may get a dessert. I don't know. I'm not big on have to be vegetarian and vegan and healthy and all that kind of stuff. Although we do eat a lot of vegetarian at home.
But if you on the vegetarian, come here is very
But yeah, it's expensive, I think. It's pretty overpriced. If I'm paying, was $11 for the edamame. That seems pretty steep for 4 or 5. Your pizza was 14? Yeah, see, this is good, but for 14 I can get a real pizza with a lot of fat, unhealthy stuff on it. So, it just depends on what you like. If you're really into the vegan and vegetarian, this would probably be a great place for you to come visit. It's pretty new. Service, the waiter was excellent, very good, very nice. So, True Kitchens in the Woodlands area. Here's our dessert, avocado key lime pie. Sounds interesting. There's probably not much avocado. I wouldn't think. See how sour it is. Oh, she likes it. Oh my goodness. No sour, or it is? Yeah. See, this is kind of healthy food I like. And it's vegan and vegetarian. It's interesting. The crust is kind of different. I like it. It's good. I'll be the first to admit if I'm wrong about a place, and I was wrong about this place. I wasn't expecting much, but the food was great. The pizza was good. My spaghetti squash was fantastic. And there's also a rewards program that if you sign up, you can get $10 off your next visit. So we will be going back, and maybe I'll do a video on my first vegan burger that I ever had. Now the prices were a little bit pricey, but you know, if you're really into the health food, the organic and the vegan, then this would be a great place to visit.